So based on the content that you give to Qwen, you can also go ahead and make questions. So to do that, if you were to go around onto binary number page right here in Wikipedia, let's say for example, you got some binary number related content. Let's say I'm just going to go around and then copy this chunk of the content right here and paste it into Qwen. And I'm going to say, based on this content right here, generate out 10 questions. So if I were to go ahead and type that in, then what happens is that it simply goes ahead and then generates out 10 questions based on the content provided. Like, what is the base 2 numerical system? Why it is referred to as binary? How does the potential notation in binary system work, and so forth. And based on the content that I provided right here, you can see that it generated out 10 questions based on it. So now what you can actually also do is you can go ahead and then generate out different types of questions. Let's say, for example, I can go ahead and say, now based on the content, generate 4 MCQ questions right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and do that, then what happens is that it says here are 4 multiple choice questions right here, just like this. And it even gives you the correct answer. And if you don't want the correct answer, you can simply tell it right there. You can also say, now give me 4 fill in the blanks questions based on it. So if I were to actually go ahead and do that again, so now it gives me fill in the blanks question. And this is how you can actually go ahead and then based on the contents make questions in Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.